Once upon a time, in the small town of Rolling Hills, there lived a young girl named Megan. Megan was about to turn 12 years old, and she was very excited for her birthday. She had been counting down the days until she could celebrate with her friends and family. Little did she know, her birthday was going to be unlike any other she had ever experienced. On the morning of her birthday, Megan woke up to find a curious envelope sitting on her bedside table. Inside was a beautiful handmade card with a mysterious riddle written in elegant script. The riddle read, "In the shadows of the moon's bright light, a Halloween birthday quest awaits you tonight. Follow the clues and discover the way to a magical adventure on this special day." Intrigued by the riddle, Megan decided to follow the clues and embark on her Halloween birthday quest. The first clue led her to the old haunted library on the outskirts of town. As she entered the library, the musty scent of old books filled her nostrils, and she could hear the faint sound of whispers echoing through the dark corridors. Suddenly, a friendly ghost named Casper appeared before her, offering Megan a magical lantern to help light her way through the dimly lit library. Gratefully accepting the lantern, Megan continued on her quest, following the clues that led her to the pumpkin patch at the edge of town. At the pumpkin patch, Megan was amazed to see pumpkins of all shapes and sizes, each one carved with intricate designs that seemed to come to life in the flickering candlelight. A mischievous goblin named Giggles appeared, presenting Megan with the enchanted potion that would grant her the ability to see through illusions and find the hidden path to her next destination. With Giggles' potion in hand, Megan made her way to the Whispering Woods, where the wind seemed to speak her name in hushed tones. As she ventured deeper into the woods, a friendly werewolf named Wally emerged from the shadows, offering Megan a golden key that would unlock the final gate to her birthday surprise. Following Wally's guidance, Megan found herself standing before a magnificent enchanted treehouse, adorned with twinkling lights and festive decorations. As she approached the treehouse, the doors swung open to reveal a joyous celebration waiting inside. All of Megan's friends and family, dressed in their Halloween costumes, greeted her with cheers and laughter. Surprised and overjoyed by the sight before her, Megan realized that her Halloween birthday quest had led her to the ultimate party in her honor. She danced and played with her loved ones, enjoying the magical evening that had been orchestrated just for her. As the night came to a close, Megan blew out the candles on her birthday cake, making a wish for many more wonderful adventures to come. With her heart full of gratitude and happiness, she knew that this birthday would be one she would never forget. And so, Megan's Halloween birthday quest came to an end, leaving her with memories of friendship, magic, and the thrill of following mysterious clues to uncover hidden treasures. She smiled as she thought back on the amazing journey she had experienced, knowing that she would always cherish the memories of her enchanted birthday celebration.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.